Hey guys, welcome back again to another new video. It's your girl AMIMO. Oh, I have to check here, not this side. So today we're back again with an interesting video. As you can see, weight loss journey. Guys, pardon my voice, I'm sick at the moment. Yeah, I'm on a weight loss journey. Maybe I've told some of you, maybe not, but as you can see, mnaona kidogo nimekonda kashingo. So I'm gonna be telling you what I'm eating. But before I tell you what I do eat, I wanna show you the products that I bought. And like anything that I'm gonna be eating, nimenunua hizo products. So I wanna review them. I wanna like nataka unbox, not even to review, I want to unbox them with you because I cannot review something I don't know how it's working. So I wanna unbox it first, and then I'm gonna make a video about them. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. So guys, like I said, fitness is helping me also to build my muscles, and at times mtu anajitolea pia kukonda. So nimeamua it's time kufanya hiki kitu. I told you guys before April I need to see changes in my body. At the moment I've already seen some changes. I normally know when I've lost weight through my neck. Nikiona shingongi imeanza kujenga kabona hapa hivi, kuna kuja kabona, I know nimeanza kukonda. But anyway, like I said, kukonda si tu ni fitness peke yake, going to the gym. Kukonda is also what you are eating. So I'm on this cabbage soup diet. And guys, if you hakuna unafaa kutumia mafuta kupika kitu yote. Anything that you're cooking, you don't need to put any oil. Anything that you're eating, you don't need to put any oil. Any sugar, no. So I'm not taking any sugar, I'm not taking any wheat, and I'm not only taking soup at the moment. So today has been a very hectic day. I had 3 appointments since 8:30 in the morning. Right now is around almost 5:38. So you can decide. You can check. You cannot decide. You can check. You can check and see how many hours I've been so busy. Even my phone is at 14%. The phone I'm recording with right now. Anyway, guys, I wanna unbox it. I'm gonna be showing you the first one that I bought in Kalete. So I don't care about the products. I'm not advertising them, but I just want you to show you. This is the mixer that I've bought. In the mixer kwanza nimenunua. This mixer, I'm not going to be telling you the price, but it's expensive. But nijaribu kutengeneza na blender this juice yenye kunywa. You know, I'm taking this. I'm also making a boosting immune drink, and also a glowing drink in the morning with carrots. And actually, when you make that, you need a good mixer. I did it with blender. I did it with blender, and it was so terrible. Unakunywa unasikia tu lazima uchunge mara tatu. That is too much work. That's why I decided to buy this one. I'm gonna be unboxing it so that you guys can see nini nimenunua. So let me go and put it on the table. Nikianza ku unbox, I'll call my au pair to record me so that guys you don't miss any step when I'm unboxing it. Here we have a very big box. We have this box. Hii lazima nifungua ndo muone nini iko ndani. It's too heavy. It's a very expensive one, but it's worth it. Like jamani, ukitaka kununua kitu usiangalie zini cheap, angalia kwanza kama ina save steamer. Unaangalia kama ina save steamer. Lala ameingia kwa box yangu. Lala is almost, I want to cut her nails. Nataka kumuingiza hapo kwa hii box nitufungue kashimo. I cut her nails.
I've already up this one.
Yeah, wait, you're gonna record it. So guys, I'm gonna be unboxing it right now. I'm gonna be calling my au pair girl to come and do it, or let me just not call her au pair girl. Let me call her Maftuna, because au pair girl sounds so bad. Let me call my Maftuna to come and help me with the unboxing. So enjoy the video. Any guys, I need a camera. I'm tired of focusing on this side instead of this side. I want to look like this side and she's correct on the camera, and I hope I'm gonna be buying it soon. So mmeona mabones ndo hizo. Anyway, gym ina help. So let's go and unbox.
We have this one. Can you open this? Can I open this?
Alright.
So
Guys,
we have this one.
this is our Ninja Food Maxi.
Whoa, every lot has it.
Yeah, Eden is gonna be opening it. Papa, off a sec. Move a little bit, go down a little bit. Okay, so move this down and follow me.
Okay. What is this?
The flowers away.
What is this?
That's the book. So let's open it. Let's do one thing at a time, okay?
Okay. Wow, this is mine I was looking
So
for.
we have, what is this? Oh, it's nothing.
Oh, this one I was looking for too. For my.
So here's the big deal, or the real deal. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. This is
Huh? Oh, okay.
Oh my god. I have not seen this one for a long time ago.
So it's a brand new one. Oh, good. I'll try to pull it up. Yeah, so
This one I was looking
I can be.
for. Papa.
So that's it. So guys,
Oh, here.
was this last time? So, hey, I don't know even how to use it.
Finish.
So, like I said, this is how it looks like. See? Let's open the layer box. Mix. So, yeah, the other side.
If you got it, it ain't no question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I were good, then you could manage. Yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me stars. Promise that you won't let me fall. That I can have this moment you could do
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire. It's my empire, and yes, I call the shots. I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I bring, put it on everything that I will retire with the ring, and I will retire.
If you got it, it ain't no question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I were good, then you could manage. Yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me stars. Promise that you won't let me fall. That I can have this moment you could do that.
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire. It's my empire, and yes, I call the shots. I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I bring, put it on everything that I will retire with the ring, and I will retire.
If you got it, it ain't no question. it ain't no one forgetting. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were good, then you could manage. Yeah, oh, it could be honest. Closer to me, oh, give me these flowers. Promise that you won't let me fall. Yeah, I can lie.
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with a sling. This very moment, I'll bring. Put it on everything that I will retire with the ring. And I will retire.
Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were good, then you could manage. Yeah, oh, it could be honest. Closer to me, oh, give me these flowers.
So guys, we just want to be sure don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And see you guys. I'm gonna be coming here after some months. God willing, like Facebook. I'm gonna be bringing back a testimony. So
don't worry about me
keep on watching.
I fire. I get what I desire. It's my empire. And yes, I call the shots. I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this
way.